Hello everyone, welcome back to Pop Culture Unboxings and Reviews, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Pop Television number 513 Stranger Things Jonathan with camera. So, I'm going to give you a look at the box, and we will take him out of the box and take a closer look. So there's the front, and the side, and here's the collection that he's in. There is 11 in hospital gown, Hopper, Jonathan, Nancy, and Brenner. So there's the rest of the back. There's the side. And let's take him out and take a closer look. So here he is, holding his camera. Not really much with this figure except the fact that he's holding his camera, which is a very iconic thing from the first season, from when he was trying to find his brother. But at the same time, he's being a little nosy towards others. So there is Jonathan with his camera. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new unboxing review video. This is Pop Culture Unboxings and Reviews, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.